Good morning, everyone. I am Hachigo. Thank you very much for taking time from your busy schedule to come visit the Honda booth. First of all, on behalf of all Honda associates, I would like to offer our deepest condolence and sympathy to the victims and those affected in the devastating typhoon that struck Japan and wish for their earliest possible recovery. Ever since its founding, with a passion to help people all around the world, Honda has been committed to delivering new value for mobility and people's daily lives through our broad range of products, including motorcycles, automobiles, power products, and business jets. And today, we are pursuing our business guided by our 2030 vision to serve people worldwide with the joy of expanding their life's potential. The Tokyo Motor Show has a special place in our heart, being held in Honda's home market. We believe that this should be an occasion where the fundamental strengths of Japan and new value that only Japan can create get communicated to people around the world. This is Honda's belief. At the same time, we hope that a broader range of customers will grow their interest in cars and motorcycles through this motor show, including young people who will forge the future. Furthermore, we want Honda booth visitors to enjoy real-world experience of how Honda mobility products can expand the joy of mobility and life's potential. The booth theme is Push Yourself Further. Today, we would like to introduce our products that embody Honda's 2030 vision and also other attractive products Honda wants to showcase to the world. We believe electrification and energy are key factors which will enable us to fulfill our 2030 vision and expand people's life potential. Striving to help individual people in their daily lives, Honda has been working on automobile electrification for over 20 years. At the same time, evolving products that generate power and energy, such as generators and general-purpose engines. Also, Honda has been introducing technologies that connect products through energy and electricity, such as Power Exporter 9000, which enables external output of vehicle-generated electricity, and Mobile Power Pack, a portable battery. Honda has created a cycle of generating energy, using energy, and connecting with energy. And in coming years, will further enhance this cycle and seamlessly connect mobility and people's daily lives. Honda will create new value that only Honda can create, making contribution to realizing a carbon-free society. Our energy management and other high-efficiency electrification technologies, named Honda E-Technology, will create value for mobility and people's lives. This consistent message will be delivered through our products and technology. Honda aspires to offer new, unique values to customers who use our motorcycles, automobiles, and power products. In so doing, we want to inspire and put smiles on people's faces and become a partner in making life more enjoyable. This is the passion embodied in Honda E-Technology.
For automobiles, we evolved our two-motor hybrid system of highly efficient electrification core technology with an excellent fuel economy in order to apply to small-sized vehicles now. Under Honda E-Technology umbrella, We define EHEV, our hybrid model for the new era, which will run mostly by the electric motor. We will start deploying that new technology to the series of brand new models, such as the Fit, which will be unveiled shortly from now, as well as the new Accord, which will be launched in February next year, and so on. With EHEV as a principal technology, we will accelerate our initiative further to electrify 2/3 of our global automobile units sales by 2030. In the era of the EV, to help expand life's potential of people, we have a new proposition that is Honda E, a future-oriented urban commuter that will be launched in Japan next year. Honda E is an exclusive EV model embodying what vehicles will be like 10 years from now. With Honda E, you can experience energy exchanges back and forth along with the system to charge or discharge the power. In addition, a Honda personal assistant equipped therein will provide information to the users through natural conversation style supported by our original AI technology. You can experience futuristic lifestyle with cars through their seamless connections to the society and a daily living ahead of anyone else. Furthermore, regarding motorcycle products, we will promote electrification with Honda E technology, mainly around motorcycles for delivery service businesses. This is an electric scooter, Bentley E, and electric tricycle scooter, Gyro E. They use removable batteries, a Honda Mobile Power Pack, so that delivery businesses can replace batteries easily at their depot stations. Those business-use motorcycles are commonplace in your daily living scenes, and electrifying them will lead to cleaner and quieter living environment. We also wish to contribute to the more smiles of the people working there too. We schedule to launch Bentley E springtime next year, and at the same time, the connected services for motorcycles will begin. We will connect services, businesses, customers, vehicles, and Honda such that maintenance notification will be sent and so on in order to enhance safety and a sense of reassurance when the products are in use for businesses. The electrified mobility offered by our motorcycles and automobiles will have connections, utilizing our power and energy products, which will involve value creation for mobility and people's daily lives to a further dimension, to a new world that we propose uniquely with Honda E technology. Now then, we would like to move on to the highlight of the day, the introduction of our brand new Fit. In 2001, Fit was first created in Japan in an attempt to establish a new benchmark model in the compact car segment. With excellent packaging, fuel economy, driving performance, and design, the model has been much appreciated, and more than 7.5 million units have been sold worldwide as a result of its global evolution since then. We aim in this all-new Fit at creating a compact car standard in a new era. The requirements of the compact cars are specifically rigorous in Japan amongst any other global markets. And once it's approved here, the model will be the true standard of the new era. With that in mind, we faithfully approached the customers in Japan and perfected this global model as a proposition from Japan to the rest of the world.
And ladies and gentlemen, we would now like to show you the new Instead of comparing the new Fit to competitors in the same class, our focus was on designing a comfortable lifestyle for our customers. To the extent that the city's scenery takes on a slightly different look, we aim to make people's daily life pleasant and comfortable. Instead of pursuing newness or numbers, this time we work to enhance areas that can be felt with the 5 human senses. Normally, cars are designed in line with a grand motif. But this time, we first created a space that was most comforting to the occupants, and the exterior design followed. An exterior aligned to the interior. This was the process that led us to our goal, a car that not only is easy to use but has beauty. Our primary focus was constantly on how to create an interior that could reach this level of beauty. The brand new Fit features 4 types of comfort.
Firstly, a comfortable field of view. I wanted to improve the view with the thinner pillars, and I decided to go for the thinner than the other models so far. This way, the drivers can feel that the car is clearly different from the ones in the past. We adopted a newly developed seats for the front. Seating surface that connects through the back support all the way, securing customers in comfort. Well-formed seat geometry will not divide the front and rear cabin space, instead facilitating a conversation amongst people inside. I have prepared utilities to keep a variety of small stuff used in the car. We designed them so that people can naturally grab and use them by spontaneous movements in the way that their motion may look beautiful too. I designed a new hybrid system that is small, lightweight, and high performance for this new Fit. I tried to offer variation so that customers can enjoy making choices. A new Fit that fits everyone in it with comfort.
New Fit.
皆様の日々の生活に寄り添い、生活そのものを心地よく
The new
豊かに
Fit
する、そんな存在となることを目指した
aims to become a car which enriches the people's lives. This is the compact car of the future and sets a new standard for Honda's automobile development. The all-new Fit features the latest functions of the Honda Sensing Safety and Driver Assistive System and the most advanced Honda e-technology along with a simple and endearing design. The compact body is filled with our strong passion and latest technologies. Moreover, starting with this model, Honda will begin providing new service which utilizes an onboard communication module named Honda Connect. The module will be deployed to future new models and full model change models in Japan. Given the driving performance and visual tactile quality of the new Fit, I can say with confidence that this is the Fit for the new era. It is my great pleasure to offer a preview of our all-new Fit today, prior to the market launch next February. After this conference, please come and feel its attractiveness for yourself.
最後にモータースポーツについてもご紹介させていただきます。今年は1959年の 満島 TT レース参戦から60周年を迎えました。その記念すべき年に二輪では世界選手権の3つの主要カテゴリーであるロードレース、モトクロス、トライアルの最高峰クラスにおいて
Motorcycle World Championship categories, which are road racing, motocross, and trials. We've won the victories of the riders' titles in those three. In Formula One, we won the victory in the Austrian Grand Prix for the first time since we were back in the championship in 2015. In German Grand Prix, we won the double podium finish. We will continue our challenge for the motorsports activities going forward. Therefore, we would appreciate your unflagging cheers and support to us. We, Honda, will keep challenging in various fields in order to offer joy to expand people's potential in lives worldwide. The venue in this Tokyo Motor Show is a showcase of a variety of products. We materialize our 2030 vision. So please enjoy and experience our offerings. Thank you very much for your kind attentions.
以上をもちましてプレゼンテーションを終了
This
させていただきます。
concludes Honda's
引き
presentation.
続きフォトセッションを実施いたし
And
ま
now
す。
we'd like to proceed to the
準
photo
備が整
session.
うまで今しばらくお
We
待
ask
ちく
for your
ださい。
indulgence while we make the
なお、
preparation.
事前にお知らせいたしましたが、
And
これ
as
よ
we
り
have
ステー
informed
ジ前
you,
のお席を撤去させていただき
we will
ます。
remove the seats,
皆
chairs
様
in front of the
お手荷
stage.
物をお持ちの上、
Please
スタ
take
ッフ
your
の誘導に
belongings
従ってお移動をお
and
願いいたします。
follow our
お使い
steps.
になりました同時通訳レシーバ
We
ーは
kindly
その
ask
ままお
you
席に
to
置いてい
leave
た
the
だくか、お
receivers
近くのスタッフに
for
渡してください。
simultaneous interpretation on your chairs or hand them to
That
the
will be the
staffs.
end of the presentation. It will be followed by the photo session, which will begin shortly. The seat in front of the stage will now be removed. Please pick up your belongings and follow the instruction of the staff. Please leave the interpretation devices on the seat or hand it to our staff member.